Welcome! In this video, we will show you how to connect the remote control to the fan. We will see 3 different cases, so you can control the fan without any problem. In the first case, we will see how to connect the fan to the remote control. What we have to do is we have to give power to the fan, and when the light is turned on, now in the first 30 seconds, we have to hold the middle button of the remote control for 5 seconds. When the light flickers, it means that the fan is connected to the remote control. In the second case, what we want to do is we want to control both fans with only one remote control. What we have to do is we have to give power to both fans at the same time, and in the first 30 seconds we have to hold the middle button in the remote control for 5 seconds. Now, as we can see, the light flickers and it means both are connected to the same remote control. In the third and last case, we have to know that only one fan can be connected to one remote control. What you cannot do is control one fan with 2 different remote controls. Now what we want to do is we have 2 fans connected to the same remote control, as we can see, but we want each fan to be controlled by one different remote control. We turn off both of them, and we only turn on the one that we want to change. In this case is this one. We take a new remote control, and in the first 30 seconds we hold the middle button for 5 seconds. When the light flickers, it means that now this fan is connected to this remote control. And if we turn both of them on, we can see we can control this fan with this remote control and this fan with another remote control.